Hey there, it's Raytilia here. I just wanted to take a moment to encourage you today. I know life can get overwhelming at times, and it's easy to feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. But I want to remind you what Jesus said in Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. There's a rest that only God can give you. It's not just physical rest, but a deep soul level peace that comes when we trust Him fully. You don't have to carry everything by yourself. You're not meant to. God is waiting for you to bring it all to Him. The worries, the struggles, the unknowns. When you feel like you're running on empty, that's your signal to pause and lean into His presence. Let Him renew your strength and give you the peace that surpasses all understanding. Remember, you're not fighting this battle alone. Take a deep breath, give it to God, and trust He's working everything out for your good, even when you can't see it. And remember to stay in peace and not in pieces all over the place.